One of the best practice to have when approaching a trading part of your daily and weekly trading routine is to have a trading journal. Trading journal will help you to get focus, realize your emotion when placing a trade, and basically get you more organized when approaching a trading as a business. Because at the end of the day, you need to get more focus. You need to remove all the distraction and social media from your thinking when placing a trade. And you need to know why you have placed that trade. So that's why I decided to create and show you my own version when it comes to trading journal. So I was searching on my folders and I found that I have over the years that I have created many trading journals. So this is in 2010 I created this kind of trading journal which I was following on daily basis and weekly basis. This is another one for my other trading account that I had. So basically, a trading journal will help you to realize all this and see how you progressed over the years. So you can use it, tweak it as you want, and let me know in the comment.